While remember, a lot of focus has been in Mumbai with regard to comedian Kunal Kamra's controversy. But let's also remember, a few weeks ago, what happened. Now, comedian Samay Raina has recorded statement with the cops. The Maharashtra Cyber Cell finally managing to record Samay Raina's statement in Mumbai. Remember, he was travelling abroad. And this was with regard to the latent show, where allegedly a vulgar joke was said. This was regarding parents and some private conversations. And that had led to a full-blown controversy against them. It had become a huge debate whether this is freedom of expression should be allowed or perhaps there has to be a certain bar. Comedian and YouTuber, that's the visual on his screen, Samay Raina. Young man leaving from the office of the Maharashtra Cyber Cell. He was summoned to record his statement in connection with India's Got Latent case. Vidya is joining me this morning. Vidya, so would it be correct to say this is the first time that possibly this has happened? I remember he was travelling abroad. Has he recorded statements earlier as well? This is the first time. Any details of what exactly would be the line of questioning?
Well, Samay Raina had been summoned earlier, but he had short time as he was travelling. But of course, the moment he returned, he has answered the summon and he immediately went to the office of the Cyber Cell. Maharashtra Cyber had recorded an FIR, if you remember, and in connection with that, the FIR, the statement, the investigation could have been only proceeded ahead with the recording of statement of each of these people. And that's proceeding that Samay Raina had recorded his statement. In the statement, he had basically said that he was questioned as to whether these kind of, the dialogues were recorded or, pre-decided or if, this really happened without any conspired planning to say such kind of things. So, these are the questions that he was put forth and he's answered them. And, if the cops feel that there is a need for him to be, back, then they would summon him again. But as of now, his statement has been recorded, is what we have been told by Maharashtra Cyber Cell.
All right, Vidya will be tracking all the latest on that. Remember, a lot of heightened activity in the past few days in Maharashtra, and a lot of it with regard to creativity, content creation, and of course, how much of bar can be pushed with regard to freedom of expression.